We're asked here to do a couple of operations with power functions. And the first one is to find the inverse of f of x equals x to the 5. So remember the inverse function, I'm going to write here in my little flirt. My inverse function, I'm going to swap x and y. So therefore, I'm going to end up with x equals y to the power of 5. And then I need to take the fifth root of this to get back to x. So therefore, y equals x to the fifth. Now, remember I've given this as a function, f of x. So I'm going to say, therefore, the inverse function, f minus 1 of x, will equal x to the power of 1/5. And that's my answer. For the second one, though, because there's a constant, I need to be a little bit careful. So we're going to start this the same way, but you'll see that we just need to take some care. So for my inverse, therefore, we're going to swap x and y. And there's two ways we can do this one. The first way is to say, well, therefore, x equals 8y cubed. And therefore, x over 8 equals y cubed. And therefore, taking the cube root of x over 8 and of the other side, I get y equals that. Now, the cube root of 8 is 2, so therefore, y equals the cube root of x over 2, or x to the third over 2. But remember our terminology, so we are going to write it as f negative 1 of x equals the cube root of x over 2. The other way we could do this, if we wanted to, is from this step, we could say, therefore, x equals 2y all cubed, which means, therefore, the cube root of x equals 2y, and therefore, y equals the cube root of x over 2. Now, you'll see we have the same answer, and it doesn't matter how we get there. Both methods are equally as good, and they're both mathematically correct, so both of them will get a big tick from the examiner and a massive smiley face from me.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe or like. Thanks.